Before we start, here's the secret to a truly flavorful lemon cake. We don't just mix lemon zest, we wake it up. Start by rubbing the lemon zest into the sugar until the sugar becomes fragrant and slightly moist. Now add the eggs and vanilla. Mix until the batter becomes light, fluffy, and turns a pale creamy color. Slowly add the oil and fresh lemon juice. Then pour in the milk. Mix gently until everything is smooth and well combined. Sift in half of the flour and baking powder. Add cardamom and black seeds for extra aroma and texture. Mix just until combined, no overmixing. Repeat with this remaining flour mixture. Pour the batter into your prepared pan, then bake it in a preheated oven. Let's make a bright and silky lemon curd. Prepare the lemon juice and zest in a bowl. Mix sugar with egg yolks until pale and creamy. Add the lemon juice and zest and mix well. Cook the mixture over gentle heat, stirring consistently until it thickens and leaves a clear trail on the pan. That's when you know it's ready. Next, make the cream cheese frosting. Beat softened butter with powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Then add the cream cheese and lemon zest. Once the cake has cooled, layer the cream cheese frosting and lemon curd on top. Fresh, creamy, and full of flavor. If you love easy recipes, watch the One Bowl Chocolate Cake short next.